ideas. Now let's talk about 3 close reads and why we need them. Students in your class can't be expected to come in and read something once and just get it, unless they already have highly developed or perhaps supernatural abilities. Personally, I've been reading all my life and I still find that I rarely read anything just once, at least if I want to understand it. Big History assumes students will read everything 3 times, with your encouragement, of course. Each exposure to the content will have a different focus and point the student at a different aspect of the text. We call this 3 close reads. The first read is actually just a preview of the text. We call it capturing the gist. The first step is the easiest and will not scare off reluctant readers. Here we ask students to look at the title, headings, author, and what type of article it is, in order to make predictions about what they think the article will be about. The second read looks for key ideas, vocabulary, and facts in the reading. Big History refers to this as the informational or factual reading. Now students pull out the main ideas to summarise the article. Every article in the course includes a set of these questions and sample answers for you in the lesson view. These questions don't cover everything, but will give a great head start for your class. The third and final reading is about thinking bigger, also known as conceptual thinking. This really is the heart and soul of the Big History project. If the first read was checking out a new car on the lot, and the second read was getting inside to see the controls, the third reading hands students the keys they need to take these ideas for a spin. Students are asked to consider the context and importance of the text in the bigger picture. They will exhibit their understanding of the text and how it ties into other things they've learned in the course. Here again, we will give you at least one conceptual question for each reading. This is the chance for the students to go beyond what the text says, to explore what it means, and how it connects to the other ideas in the lesson, the unit, and even the course as a whole. To help you with this approach, use the 3 close reads worksheet. There's one linked to every article when you click on the Start Lesson link in each unit. This worksheet provides directions and hints to the students, along with space for them to jot down notes, summaries, questions, and ideas. I know what you're thinking. I have students who want a trophy for reading something just once. How can I get them to read the same thing 3 times? We know this works, especially when we hear the terrific feedback from our teachers already using this method. And the fact is, these worksheets are training wheels, only temporary. In some cases, you may want to go even further and literally read the first couple of paragraphs to them out loud, highlighting keywords if they're doing the first reading, or asking the factual level questions if they're doing the second. Eventually, students will develop a habit of looking for the gist, the facts, and the ideas in any complex reading.